Hello guys, welcome back to Solace Talks Law. I'm Salwa. So in this video, I'll be explaining to us how to move a motion in a Nigerian court. A motion is an application, is a prayer and also a request you want the court to grant in your favor. There are two types of motion. We have motion ex parte and we have motion on notice. Motion on notice is when you give the other party notice that you are going to court to request for something. So the other party must be served so that if there is need for them to oppose the motion, they can file their counter affidavit and also their written address. So the other party must not be be caught by surprise. You have to serve them. It is necessary, provided you are coming by motion on notice. So motion ex parte is actually an opposite of motion on notice. The other party does not have to be aware you are going to court to request for something. So the other party is actually caught by surprise. So now you are in court. The first thing is to announce your appearance. I've already made a video on how to announce appearance in a Nigerian court. In case you don't know how to do that, kindly watch my video on how to announce appearance in Nigerian courts. If you are the claimant, you make your appearance first, and if you are the defendant, you wait for the claimant to announce appearance before making your own appearance. So after announcing your appearance, you inform the court of the business of the day. My lord, this matter is slated for this. However, we have a pending motion on notice, and subject to the confidence of this court, we are ready to proceed with the motion. At that instant, the court will ask the opposing lawyer if he has been served. So if you acknowledge service, the court may ask you to move your motion. However, it is pertinent to note at this point for the newbies that you don't need to cram the content of your motion paper. You can actually just familiarize yourself with the content, and you can read out if the need arises. You can read out from your motion, from your paper, if the need arises. However, for the purpose of this video, I won't be reading from my paper. I'll be saying it offhand. There are two ways of moving a motion. You can either move in full or you move in terms. So moving in terms is the shortest way of moving a motion. While moving in full, you have to give the full details of your motion paper. So before you can move in terms, you have to seek the leave of the court. My lord, may I humbly move in terms of my motion paper? So if the court permits you, then you move. I humbly move in terms of my motion paper dated the 6th day of July 2025. I urge this honorable court to grant all my prayers. We are most grateful. Then you bow and sit. So if the court does not allow you to move in terms, that means you have no other choice than to move in full. So how do we move in full? You move in full by starting with, my lord, our motion paper is dated the 1st day of August 2025 and filed the 2nd day of August 2025, because it is actually possible you date your motion and not file that same day. So after saying that, my lord, our motion is brought pursuant to Order 4301 of the High Court of Lagos State Civil Procedure Rule 2019 and under the inherent jurisdiction of this honorable court. My lord, our motion is praying for an order of this honorable court joining ABC as a claimant in this suit, and for such further order and orders as this honorable court may deem fit to grant in the circumstances. My lord, in support of our motion is a 9-paragraph affidavit deposed to by one Emmanuel Ajeni Fuja, the litigation officer in the claimant counsel's office. My lord, we seek to rely on all the averments in the said affidavits. My lord, in compliance with the rules of this honorable court, we also filed a written address. We adopt the written address as our argument in support of this motion. We urge this honorable court to grant all our prayers. May the court be pleased, or we are most grateful. If you find this video beneficial in any way, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe.